everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you this easy and fun spring/Easter treat. This recipe is called a layered PEEPS Rice Krispie treat. So the things you're going to need are butter, 4 3-ounce packages of PEEPS in any color of your choosing, Krispie rice cereal, a loaf pan lined with tinfoil that I'm also going to be spraying with non-stick cooking spray, a bowl, and a spoon. Don't forget the spoon. I forgot to picture it here while I'm showing you the ingredients. So here's the recipe that I found off of Pinterest. I will make sure I link it in the description box down below. You can also screenshot it. The first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and coat my loaf pan really well with nonstick cooking spray. Then I'm going to go ahead and cube my butter into 1 tablespoon cubes. You're going to need 4 tablespoons total. Then I'm going to go ahead and choose a color of PEEPS. I'm going to choose the blue to start with. And then you're going to go ahead and pull them apart and stick them in your bowl and microwave the butter and PEEPS for about 30 to 45 seconds. While the PEEPS and butter are getting nice and melty together, I'm going to go ahead and open my cereal. Now, to the PEEPS and butter mixture, you're going to add 1.5 cups of your Rice Krispie cereal. Now, something you will see later on in the video is that I went ahead and mixed my marshmallows and butter before I added the cereal. You're going to want to make sure that you go ahead and do this. It just makes it easier to stir in the cereal. Also, you'll see that I have some neon food coloring. This is completely optional. I just had some on hand and thought it would be fun to add 1 to 3 drops depending on how the color looked when the marshmallow PEEPS and butter were melted. And another tip that I have for you is to go ahead and spray your spoon or spatula, whatever you're going to be using, with a nonstick cooking spray. It makes it so much easier to get your butter, marshmallows, and Rice Krispie cereal flat in your loaf pan. I was having such a hard time getting it to stay flat because the marshmallows were so sticky. Okay, so now you're going to repeat the process 3 more times with the other 3 packages of PEEPS in any color of your choosing. You're going to see other little hands in here. These are my kids. My daughter, who is 9, and her name is Peyton, and then you'll see my son, Bryson, who is 4, later on. They are such great helpers and love cooking with me in the kitchen. I hope you guys are enjoying today's video. If you are, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you're new, welcome. My name is Danielle. I am so happy that you chose to watch my video today. Consider subscribing. I would love to have you join my family here on YouTube. Please come say hi down in the comments and let me know where you're from. Okay, you guys, so I'm just finishing up the last layer. Then I'm going to allow them to cool completely for about 1 to 2 hours before I go ahead and cut them into slices. So now I'm just going to be peeling back the tin foil and cutting them into chunks, almost like I'm cutting a loaf of bread, and then I'm going to cut them in half and put them on a plate. These turned out so cute and colorful. My kids absolutely love them. I filmed a little clip of them taste testing them and seeing them. They did help me and I was so thankful, and they had so much fun with me in the kitchen. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know down in the comments if you're going to go ahead and try this super fun and colorful recipe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next video, guys, have an awesome day. Bye! Okay, Mommy made spring Easter Rice Krispie treats with you guys. Why don't you guys try them and let me know what you think?
Okay.
Do they look pretty?
Yeah.
Look at Mama Barbie. Are they good?
Mm-hmm.
You like them? Do they taste like Rice Krispie treats? Because it's just marshmallows, huh? You like it? You can have that one if you want.
I'm good.
Oh yeah, you can pull them apart by like the layers.
So.
Yeah. You like them?
Uh-huh.
Say thumbs up, right?
I think you guys should make this and get the recipe.
Approved by kids? Yeah. Okay, say bye.
Bye.